All right, a common question we get is how do I lock my sectional garage door when the opener has failed or there's a power failure and the mechanism is not down this end of the door anymore? So you've got a part in the chain or the belt like this one. You'll see this yellow piece here. That's what the door locks into. Now, if you've got a power failure, that's going to be stuck down that end of the door and there's no way of locking the door when it's closed. So I'm going to show you a simple solution, which is just grab yourself a screwdriver or something long and skinny. And now look along the edge of your door inside the track. You'll see your roller wheels, which stick out the end of the door. Just lift the door up to get some light. So there's one of our roller wheels there inside the track. There's another one up there as well, and that has a shaft that goes from the track into the door. You might have some external hinges. This is the internal B&D system. Now, next thing you're going to look for is some holes in the track. Ideally, a hole that closely lines up with one of the roller wheels. And all you're going to do is grab your screwdriver, get one that fits nice and snug, pop that through the hole and into your door. And there you go, you have a very simple locking mechanism on hand. So that's not going anywhere. You can even use that if you're going away. It makes your door much harder to break into. So we'll close that door down. Pop our screwdriver just above one of the holes in the roller. It doesn't have to be exact, as long as it doesn't lift up enough for someone to climb under. So there we go. Door locked. That's very secure. And you can even pop it in from this side if your screwdriver is long enough. That will act as a very secure locking mechanism. It's a great temporary solution. Usually that's only for a day or two until you get your opener fixed, or even for an hour while you've got your power outage. So there you have it, a very simple locking solution. We get this question asked quite a bit. And there you go, very easy to remove as well.
I'm that roller door bloke, thanks for watching.